Hello and good day, dear pupils. Welcome to Tirad Pass Network, DepEd Candon City Teleskwela. Kanlungan ng kaalaman tungo sa kahusayan at kaunlaran. I am Teacher Devi and I will be your English teacher for today's session in Grade 4 English. Make sure you have your pen and papers with you. Watch and listen carefully. Are you ready to learn? That's great! Let's get started! For our most essential learning competency, use clear and coherent sentences employing appropriate grammatical structures, kinds of nouns, mass nouns, and count nouns, possessive nouns, collective nouns. For our objective, use mass, count, possessive, and collective nouns in a sentence. At the end of our lesson, you will be able to learn what is noun, what are possessive nouns, what are mass and count nouns, and what are the collective nouns, and be able to use them in a sentence. People, places, things, animals, and events have their names. Can you tell me how do we call their names? You are right. We call them nouns. Again, what are nouns? Nouns name a person, animal, place, thing or object, and event. Let us study these examples of nouns. Names of a person like Lily, Roberto, Maria Andrea. Other names like mother, teacher, student, and many others. Names of an animals like Kitty, Bantay, Brownie. Other names like cat, dog, chicken, and many others too. Names of places like Candon City, Resonable Hospital, Balingawan Elementary School. Other names like market, church, and many others. We also have names of objects or things like Samsung, Mongol, Orion. Other names like cell phone, pencil, and paper, and many others too. We also have names of events like Christmas Day, Ilocosur Day, Tobacco Festival. Other names like birthday, holiday, and festival. We said earlier that people, places, things, animals, and events have their names, and we call them nouns. Kids, there are different kinds of nouns. Some show possession. Some represent a group. Some can be counted, and some cannot. In our lesson today, you will learn more about the use of mass nouns, use of count nouns, use of possessive nouns, and the use of collective nouns. Let us read a short story entitled Uncle Joel's Pansit by Cyril Franz S. Paterter. After we read, we are going to answer some questions about it. Take note of the nouns used in the story. So kids, make sure to watch and listen attentively. Uncle Joel owns a canteen near the plaza. Our group usually goes there after class to have some snack. Uncle Joel's pancit is one of the most delicious meals we have in town. Aside from pancit, his fried rice in a bowl tastes good as well. No wonder why his food is so loved by the crowd. Now, it's time to check if you understood the short story. Are you ready? That's great! Where does the group eat after class? Is it A, at Uncle John's canteen, B, at Uncle Joel's canteen, or C, at their house? The correct answer is letter B, at Uncle Joel's canteen. What are the nouns used in the story? You are right. The nouns used in the story are Joel, plaza, group, canteen, pancit, town, rice, crowd, meals, bowl, food, and snack. Let us study each noun used in the story. Let us identify what kind of noun are used. The noun Joel's in the phrase Joel's canteen. This is an example of a possessive noun. What is a possessive noun? Possessive noun is a noun that shows possession. It is used to show ownership. In most cases, a possessive noun is formed by adding an apostrophe plus s to the noun, or if the noun is plural and already ends in s, only an apostrophe needs to be added. Joel's canteen, therefore, tells us that the canteen is owned by Joel. Let us study other examples of possessive noun. What do you see in the picture? You are right, a dolphin and a ball. Who has a ball? The dolphin. The dolphin owns a ball, so we say dolphin's ball. Let us have another example. What do you see? Very good. A boy with a cap. The boy is Drake. And what does Drake have? Very good. A red cup. He owns the red cup. So we say Drake's red cup. Let us try another. What do you see? Very good. A girl with a doll. The girl is Mara. What does Mara have? Mara has a doll. She owns the doll. So we say Mara's doll. Let us proceed discussing with the other nouns like plaza, canteen, town, and bowl. Do you know how are these nouns called? Kids, we call them count nouns. What are count nouns? Count nouns are nouns that can be counted. Let us study these examples of count nouns. What do you see? Very good. These are books. Can you tell me how many books are there? Let us count the books. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 books. How were you able to tell the number of books? By counting. Therefore, books are examples of count nouns. Let us have another example. What do you see? These are oranges. Can you tell me how many oranges are there? Let us count the oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 oranges. How were you able to tell the number of oranges? You are again right, by counting. Therefore, oranges are also examples of count nouns. Let us have another example. What do you see? These are apples. Can you tell me how many apples are there? Let us count the apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There are 6 apples. How were you able to tell the number of apples? You are again right, by counting. Therefore, apples are also examples of count nouns. Again, nouns that can be counted are called count nouns. Did you understand, kids? Wonderful! You are doing great! What about nouns that cannot be counted like pancit, rice, meals, food, and snack? Do you know how are these nouns called? Kids, we call them mass nouns. What are mass nouns? Mass nouns are nouns that cannot be counted and will need counters to know their quantity. Let us study these examples of mass nouns. What do you see? The object in the picture is sugar. Can you tell me how many sugar? No, because we cannot count the sugar. Sugar is an example of a mass noun. And mass nouns are nouns that cannot be counted, and you will need counters to know the quantity. Same with other examples like coffee, pebble stones, milk, and water. We need counters to know the quantity. For example, a kilo of sugar, a cup of coffee, a truckload of pebbles, a glass of milk, and a bottle of water. There are also nouns like group and crowd. Do you know how are these nouns called? Kids, we call them collective nouns. What are collective nouns? Collective nouns are words that represent group of people, things, or animals. Let us study other examples. What do you see? The object in the picture is a group of ant soldiers. A collective noun for a group of ant soldiers is battalion. So we say, battalion of ant soldiers. Let us have another example. These are sailors. Using a collective noun, we say, rank of sailors. Let us have another example. What do you see? Using a collective noun, we say, bunch of grapes. Remember this, kids. There are different kinds of nouns. Possessive nouns show who or what owns something. Mass nouns are nouns that cannot be counted and will need counters to know their quantity. Count nouns refer to things that can be easily counted, and collective nouns are groups of people, animals, or things. Did you understand our lesson, kids? Wow, that's amazing! I think you are now ready to apply what you've learned. Let us have an activity. Choose the correct noun to complete the sentence. I will give you 5 seconds to think of your answer. Are you ready? That's great. For item number 1, blank dress is lovely. A. Maria's. B. Maria. Timer starts now. The correct answer is A. Maria's. Maria's dress is lovely. For item number 2, the blank beside the door is used for fetching water. A. Bottle. B. Bottles. The correct answer is A. Bottle. The bottle beside the door is used for fetching water. For item number 3, there are plenty of blank at the beach. A. Sands. B. Sand. The correct answer is B. Sand. There are plenty of sand at the beach. For item number 4, the blank performance is impressive. A. Orchestras. B. Orchestra. The correct answer is A. Orchestras. The orchestra's performance is impressive. And for item number 5, Nanay asked me to put some blank in her cup. A. Sugars. B. Sugar. The correct answer is B. Sugar. Nanay asked me to put some sugar in her cup. Did you get all the correct answers? Then you are amazing. I guess you are ready for another activity. Choose the correct noun in the box to complete the sentences. The nouns are teddy bear, coffee, audience, army, and dogs. I will give you 5 seconds to think of your answer. Are you ready? Let's proceed. For sentence number 1, the blank leash is tight. The correct answer is dogs. The dog's leash is tight. Number 2, I love to have my blank black. The correct answer is coffee. I love to have my coffee black. Number 3, we saw blank by the base. The correct answer is army. We saw an army by the base. Number 4, I received a cute blank on my last birthday. The correct answer is teddy bear. I received a cute teddy bear on my last birthday. And number 5, the blank cheered for the singer. The correct answer is audience. The audience cheered for the singer. Did you get all the correct answers? Then you are excellent. Congratulations, kids. That's it. We have reached the end of the lesson. I hope you learned a lot from today's session. But before I say goodbye, I want to share you a beautiful quote from Maya Angelou. When you know better, you do better. Thank you very much for tuning in. Once again, I am Teacher Debbie. See you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.